Kelvin Kiptum ne marathi na mbere kwa mucie na Iben county ya Uasin Gishu kuria mafudi maraka nyumba ya rumu ithatu cia kiriu iria ifataire gukoro irikite wekinyeria Jumamothi mbere ya mathiko make.
Maharĩrĩrio ma igongona rĩa mathiko ma Kelvin Kiptum ni marathi na mbere guku mafudi agwaka magithi na mbere gutengeria mwako wa nyumba njeru iria itanyitwo kurika mbere ya muthenya wa mathiko ukinyite gicigo-ini kia Naiberi county ya Uasin Gishu. Kiptum onire mutino wa barabara mena coach wake Gavais Hakizimana tariki 11 mweri uyu. Mafudi agwaka aria matumirwo ni thirikari muthenya wa Juma wiki hetuku mafatairwo matigirire ni maka nyumba ino ya rumu ithatu cia gukoma iria ni cia kiriu. Oho ni marakira aciari a Kiptum nyumba ingi mwena wa Chepsamo. Waki wa nyumba kuri family ya Kiptum yari kiroto giake kimwe endaga kuhingia mwaka-ini uyu. Nyumba ino irako igukorwo iri kiririkano kuri utengeri mwega wa Kelvin Kiptum. Kuringana na munene wa utungatiri wa muingi Felix Kosgei ni akinyete guku gucera akiroraga mwako uyu hari ukinyite augite ni wa kiriu na ugukorwo ukirika Jumamothi wiki ino.
That there is flurry of activities here. All the experts around here, civil engineers, structural engineers, surveyors, everybody's here to ensure that we get a home that is near the dream of Kiptum. Because Kiptum had his own plans, he was methodical if you look at what he was doing. And as a hero of this country, a star that we thought will come now and push athletics further and make us as proud as his predecessors. We have to give him a befitting send-off, and more so, we have to make the family settle as part of government's contribution. This house will be completed by Thursday because the funeral will be on 24th. On 23rd, on Friday 23rd, when the funeral is going to be held here. So otherwise, I'm satisfied, though saddened, but I'm satisfied with the works that are going on here.
The technology that we are using here, I think it might be the first to be used within this region. That is the light gauge steel. If you look at the steels that we are using here, an ordinary person will say that it's more of aluminium. That is, it is a 3-bedroom that is normally referred to as ensuite. Now what we are doing currently, what is ongoing, is the boarding. Boarding will happen both inside and outside. Then immediately after the boarding from outside, we are going to put on something we call the membrane. Require us not even 7 days, less than 7 days.
Igongona ria mathiko ma Kelvin Kiptum ritanyitwo gukorwo muthenya wa Juma tariki 12 guku President William Ruto na anene angi makirigirirwo guthie igongona riri. Ngiribotera GTN TV ritwa riakwa ni Dennis Kimotho.